Hi everyone, this is Shruthi from Clued MHC, and today I wanted to show you all how to make apple pie rolls. Here are the ingredients that you will need. We will start by making the apple pie spice, so this will be 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and you'll mix that all together in a small bowl, and that'll make your apple spice, and you'll actually make more than you're going to end up using. So here is that. Next, you're going to get a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar packed and put that into a different bowl, and then to that you're going to add a teaspoon of the apple spice that you made, and then you'll just mix that all together so that it's well combined. And this is going to be our filling. Next, you'll want to get about 3 tablespoons of butter and just melt that in the microwave, and we're going to use this for our filling as well as for greasing our pan. Next, I just went ahead and cut up an apple. I used a golden delicious apple, but you can use anything you'd like to, and I just cut that up and then threw that into our melted butter. And then we'll just open our tube of crescent rolls and just unwrap them and roll them out onto your greased pan, and we'll just start putting everything together now. We'll first start by putting our brown sugar and spice mixture on, and you just kind of go ahead and spread that around on all of the pieces, and then you'll place an apple at the wide end and just roll them up like you would a regular crescent roll. And I just like to tuck in the ends a little bit so that it doesn't cook weirdly when you put it in the oven. And then lastly, you'll sprinkle some of the extra spice mixture on top of the rolls, and this is what it will look like. And we'll just put this into a 375-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes, and this is what they will look like at the end. These are great, and I hope you have a chance to try them. Thanks for watching!